Okay. Today, let us start exercise problems. That is examples on first lesson. The population of a locality at the end of 2011 was 10 lakh 5,000. There were 30,030 births and 10,000 deaths in 2012. And the number of immigrants and emigrants were 65,000 and 20,000 respectively. Estimate the population at the end of 2012. So you know that 2011 is considered as base year and 2012 is considered as current year. And the population at the end of base year 2011 was given as 10 lakh 5,000 and it is denoted by P naught. Then 2012 is the current year denoted by PT. Here we have to find out the population at the end of current year 2012, that is PT. Then number of births and deaths are given, that is B and D, and immigrants and emigrants are given. So let us start. P naught equals to 10 lakh 5,000, B equals to 30,030, D equals to 10,000, I equals to 65,000 and E equals to 20,000. Okay. So here P naught equals to 10,500, B is 13,030, D is 10,000, I is invaders, that is 65,000, or immigrants, E stands for immigrants, or it is known as departures, number of departures. So PT equals to P naught plus B minus D plus I minus E according to the measurement of population. Then go for substitution. PT equals to 10 lakh 5,000 plus 13,030 minus 10,000 plus 65,000 minus 20. Then 10 lakh 5,000 as it is plus 13,030 minus 10,000 is 3,030 plus 65,000 minus 20,000 gives 45,000. And when you take the sum of all these values, we will get 10 lakh 53,030 at the end of 2012. Hence, population at the end of 2012 was 10 lakh 53,030. Then, second question, the population of a village was 8,000. There were 250 live births. Find crude birth rate. So, average population is given as 8,000 and live births equals to 250. Write down the formula for CBR, that is equals to number of live births occurring in the year divided by average population in the year, that is multiplied by 1,000. Then go for substitution. CBR equals to number of live births are 250 and average population given as 8,000. 250 divided by 8,000, that is multiplied by 1,000, gives you 31.25. That is approximately 31 births per 1,000 population. Fine. Then next question. Next question. The female population of childbearing age groups in a city is 1,60,000. The number of live births in the year in the city is recorded as 2,480. Find the general fertility rate. Given female population equals to 1,60,000, number of live births equals to 2,480. Then write down the formula for GFR, that is number of live births during a year divided by total number of women of childbearing age in a year, that is multiplied by 1,000. Number of live births equals to 2,480. Female population, that is total number of women of childbearing age group is 1,60,000. So 2,480 divided by 8,000 into 1,000, that gives you 15.5, approximately 16 births per 1,000 women of childbearing age. Next, the population of a town was 16,000. There were 800 deaths in the year. Calculate crude death rate. Average population is 16,000. Number of deaths 800. So CDR is given by, it is the ratio of number of deaths occurring in the year divided by average population in the year, that is multiplied by 1000. Then go for substitution. CDR equals to 800 divided by 16,000, that is multiplied by 1000. Then at the end, we will get the answer as 50 deaths per 1000 population. Next question. In a particular city, 3,000 live births occurred in a particular year. The number of neonatal deaths was 90. Calculate neonatal mortality rate. Number of live births given as 3,000. Neonatal deaths equals to 90. So neonatal refers to what? It is the death of babies below 28 days. Neonatal deaths. Neonatal stands for babies below 28 days. Babies below 1 month. Okay. NMR equals to total number of deaths of neonatal babies in a year divided by number of live births occurring in a year, that is multiplied by 1000. Then go for substitution. NMR equals to 90 divided by 3000, that is multiplied by 1000. So NMR equals to 30 deaths per 1000 population. Then in a locality, out of 10,000 live births occurred, the number of infant deaths was 500. Calculate infant mortality rate. Infant refers to children below 1 year. And total number of live births given as 10,000 and infant deaths, that is the death of babies below 1 year, given as 500. So live births equals to 10,000, infant deaths equals to 500. So IMR equals to total number of deaths among infants in a year divided by number of live births occurring in a year to 1000. So IMR equals to 500 by 10,000 into 1000. On simplification, IMR equals to 50 deaths per 1000 population. Hello? Hello, students?
हाँ मैम.
Can you hear me?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Visible with the screen?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, just a
Yes
minute.
ma'am.
Okay then, just a minute. Hello?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, can you hear me now? Fine.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, I'll continue. In a locality, out of 10,000 live births, 90 mothers died due to childbirth complications. Calculate maternal mortality rate. So this is the calculation of maternal mortality rate. That is, maternal mortality rate refers to the calculation of death rate of mothers who died due to childbirth complications. Fine. So number of live births given as 10,000 and death of mothers as 90. So write down the formula for MMR, that is number of deaths of mothers in a year due to childbirth occurring in a year divided by number of live births occurring in a year, that is multiplied by 1000. So MMR equals to 90 by 10,000 into 1000. On simplification, MMR equals to 9 mothers died due to childbirth complications. Then, so 8th question, compute CBR, GFR, ASFR for the age group 25 to 39. Age groups are given 0 to 14, 15 to 24, 25 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 79, 80 and above. Male population is given as 46,000, 34,000, 39,000, 30,000, 23,000, 3,000. Female population 43,000, 35,000, 38,000, 28,000, 26,000, 4,000. Number of live births, first one is 0. Next is 6,846, then 3,893, then 674, then last two are 0. So you can observe for every question, number of live births would be between the age group 15 to 49 only. See here, I'll show you between 15 to 49 only. Here, because 15 to 49 is considered as the childbearing age. 15 to 49 is considered as the childbearing age. Okay. (15 to 49) age group is considered as the childbearing age. Okay. For GFR, you have to consider only the age group 15 to 49 for female population. For taking the sum of female population, you have to consider only 15 to 49 age group. So already in class for GFR, ASFR and TFR, we are going to take into account only the age group, female population of the age group from 15 to 49, because between this age group, female can give birth to a child. She is capable of giving birth to a child between the age group 15 to 49 because it is the maturation period or germination period, or it is known as childbearing age. Okay. Now, you take the sum of male population, that is 1,79,000. Then take the total of female population, 1,74,000, and take the sum of number of live births, that is 11,430. Next. Here, write down CBR formula. Number of live births occurring in the year divided by average population in the year, that is multiplied by 1,000. Number of live births 11,413 divided by average population. So apart from CBR, we are going to consider only female population, that too between the age of 15 to 49. Repeatedly CBR nalli matra average population anta andaga, we have to take male population as well as female population. So male population is 1,79,000 and female population is 1,74,000. So avedanu ನೀವು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Average population is what? It is male population plus female population. It includes both men and women population for the calculation of CBR. Okay. Then this ratio is multiplied by 1,000. Then 11,413 divided by 1,79,000 plus 1,74,000 will give you 3,53,000 into 1,000, which is equals to 32.33. Next, GFR is it is the ratio of number of live births during the year divided by total number of women of childbearing age in the year, that is multiplied by 1,000. So total female population of childbearing age group 15 to 49 is 1,01,000. So ಇದು 1,01,000 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 15 to 49 ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 15 to 49 ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. I'll show you. See here. Male population total, female population total, and number of live births total. Then here, in the calculation of GFR, you have to consider only the age of 15 to 49. That is start from 59 and it ends with 49. So female population ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 15 to 49 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 15 to 24, 25 to 39, 40 to 49. These three age groups are considered. 15 to 24 means female population is 35,000, then 38,000 and 28,000. If you add these three values, we will get 1,01,000. If you add 35,000, 38,000 and 28,000, we will get the female population between the age group 15 to 49. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು GFR ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆನಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
No, ma'am.
Then GFR equals to number of live births during a year divided by number of women of childbearing age in the year. Number of live births are 11,430 and the total number of women of childbearing age in the year, we got it as 1,01,000. So 11,413 divided by 1,01,000, that is multiplied by 1,000, and the answer is 130. Then here ASFR is asked to find out for the age group 25 to 39. Really 25 to 39 age group ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ASFR ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In case age group mention ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ we have to find out ASFR for all the age groups. So ASFR between the age group 25 to 39 can be found by using the formula number of live births in a specific age group 25 to 39 in a year divided by total number of female population in that age group 25 to 39 in a year, that is multiplied by 1,000. This whole ratio is multiplied by 1,000. This whole ratio is multiplied by 1,000. Okay. See, this whole ratio is multiplied by 1,000. Fine. Then ASFR equals to number of live births in a specific age group 25 to 39 is 3,893 and the total number of female population in that age group 25 to 39 in a year is 38,000, that is multiplied by 1,000, and the answer is 102.44. See here, for the age group 25 to 39, female population is 38,000 and number of live births 3,893. You have to find out ASFR only for the age group 25 to 39. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? In case age group mention ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ for all the age groups you have to find out the ASFR. Do you have any doubts in this? Hello guys.
No, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Compute CBR, GFR, and ASFR for the age group 15 to 24. So for this example, we have to find out CBR, that is crude birth rate, GFR, general fertility rate, and ASFR for the age group 15 to 24. Okay. Now, age groups are given 0 to 9, 10 to 20, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 and above. Then male population, female population are given. Then number of live births is also given. Okay. Now, for the calculation of CBR, we need average population. So average population considers men as well as women population. So for that reason, take the total of men population. Okay. Then take the total of female population. Then number of live births, take the total of number of live births. Then next, write down the formula for CBR. That is, it is the ratio of number of live births occurring in the year divided by average population in the year, that is multiplied by 1000. So CBR equals to number of live births occurring in the year is 1712, and average population is the sum of men population and women population, that is 33,530, 32,001. That is multiplied by 1000. Then 1712 divided by 65,531 into 1000, which is equals to 26.12. Then the next one is we have to find out GFR. GFR is the ratio of number of live births occurring in the year, number of live births occurring in the year divided by total number of women of childbearing age in the year, that is multiplied by 1000. So total female population of childbearing age between 15 to 49 is 19,532. So ఇది ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? Just I'll show you. 50 to 49. So here 15 to 49 means consider third group, fourth group, fifth one, and sixth one. Are you getting? So 15 to 49. So female population between the age group 15 to 49. This is between the age 15 to 49. So you have to add the female population between the age group 15 to 49. Are you getting? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
So ಈಗ ಯಾವ numbers ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You tell me. What all variables should be added between the age of 15 to 49? Screen ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me, what is the female population between the age of 15 to 49? What all numbers to be added between 15 to 49?
7,888, 3,444, 3,800, 4,400.
Okay. So when you add these four values, how much you will get? Do you have the calculator? Keep calculator and other writing materials with you. Ella writing materials are itkond kutkolri and tell me the answer for this. Add these four values. How much is the answer?
19,532, ma'am.
19,532.
532. 32.
Okay. Wait. See here. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Total female population of childbearing age between 15 to 49 is 19,532. Then go for solution. GFR equals to number of live births during a year is 1,712 divided by total number of women of childbearing age in the year is 19,532. That is multiplied by 1,000 equals to 87.65 is the GFR, general fertility rate. Then ASFR for the age group 15 to 24. Here age group is specified. So 15 to 24. So first, before going for the solution of ASFR, 15 to 24 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು? I'll just show you. See here, 50 into 24 means 15 to 19 and 20 to 24. We have to consider two age groups, 15 to 19 and 20 to 24 for the calculation of ASFR. So for number of live births, you have to consider 510 and 880. Then female population as 7,888 and 3,444. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 15 to 19 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾರಿ 15 to 24 ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಟೂ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈವ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 510 plus 880 then 7,888 and 3,444. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
See, ASFR for the age group 15 to 24 equals to number of live births in a specific age group 15 to 24 in a year divided by total number of female population in that age group 15 to 24 in a year, that is multiplied by 1,000. So ASFR equals to 15 to 24 antandre two age groups consider agate and the number of live births for those two age groups are 510 and 880 divided by total number of female population in that age group. So between 15 to 24 means again two age groups. So write down the female population for those two age groups. 7,888 and 3,444. Add these two values, 510 plus 880, we will get 1,390 divided by 11,332, that is multiplied by 1,000, and finally ASFR equals to 122.66. Is there any doubt in this example? Do you have any queries?
No ma'am. No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, live births ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಡ್ ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಲೈವ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಲೈವ್
ಹಾ,
ಬರ್ತ್ಸ್
ma'am.
ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಸ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಆರ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಬೇಬಿ. ಬರ್ತ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್
ಹಾ,
ಬರ್ತ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು CBR ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈವ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ CBR ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸೊ CBR ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ It considers both men population as well as women population.
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Average population ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it takes into account both male as well as female population. Fine. But CBR ಒಂದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು GFR ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ASFR ಇರ್ಬೋದು or TFR, whether it is GFR or ASFR or TFR, apart from CBR, GFR, ASFR, TFR considers only female population, that too between the age group 15 to 49. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? GFR ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. GFR, ASFR and TFR. We are going to consider only women population between the age group 15 to 49, whereas average population means men as well as women population in CBR. Artha aita?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Yes, any doubts? Doubts ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆನಾ?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 10th question. Find out CBR, GFR and ASFR. Okay. Then age groups are given. Male population, female population, number of live births are given. See, I'll show you for the previous example. For the calculation of ASFR, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಹೌದಾ? Calculate the ASFR for the age group 15 to 24 or calculate the ASFR for the age group 15 to 39. ಈ ತರ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But in this question, what is asked? Only ASFR. It means age group is not specified in this question. Age group ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
No, ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? We have to calculate ASFR for all the age groups. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So for each age group ನೀವು ASFR ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
See, as usual, write down CBR formula. CBR equals to number of live births occurring in a year divided by average population in the year, that is multiplied by 1000. So before that, first take the total of all the columns, that is male population, total of female population, and take the sum of number of live births. Then go for the substitution. Number of live births is 1868. Then average population stands for both men population and population as well as women population. As I told you earlier, CBR considers average population. Okay, so average population means what? Both male as well as female populations are taken into account. So 67,476 plus 64,060. Then on simplification, we got the answer as 14.20. Artha aita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Time is running out. So in case disconnect adre rejoin agri.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next is GFR. GFR equals to number of live births during a year divided by total number of women of childbearing age in the year, that is multiplied by 1000. So total female population of childbearing age between 15 to 49. So 15 to 49 age group nalli population anna yav tara calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, or should I explain once again?
No, ma'am.
So go for the substitution. Number of live births during the year is 1868 divided by total number of women of childbearing age is 36,320 into 1000, that is 51.43. Then ASFR, equals to